Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be trying the kiarasky jelly tips in this video. So I hope you enjoy it and learn from it. So it came with an LED light, UV LED light. It helps with the drying of the nails, and I like the way you can put your nails through every side. So normally you just slide your hands under. Yeah, they are. You can put your nails through the sides, and yeah. Of course, it also came with the jelly tips and the it came with a primer. I'll show you all that in the later on in the video. So yeah, let's continue. So here I'm trying to see if the nail fits on my nail. I'm checking the size and filing it if it doesn't really fit. Checking, fixing it on my nail. It wasn't easy because most of the nails were too big for my nail. So I had to keep on filing and filing, but it ended up going well. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even. Mind you, though, I have never used this jelly tips before, and this was my first time trying it. But I really, really recommend it because, especially if you're a beginner. I'm not a nail professional. I do my own nails. I'm just learning how to do nails. I am a beginner, and I think this nail kit is beginner friendly. So if you don't really know how to do your nails, you should get this kit, because also behind the box they give you tutorials on how to do your own nails to use the kit. So I really recommend, if you're a beginner, you should try this. It's really, really easy. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. So now I am filing my natural nails to take off the shine and remove all the stuff from my nails, so that the nail will be able to stay on my nail for a long time. So now I'm brushing off the dust on my nail, and I'm going to file the jelly tip and take off the shine from the inside, so when I use the builder in it will be able to stick well on my nail. Taking off the shine really helps with getting the nail to stay on the nail tip to stay on your finger. It really, really helps. So I'm taking off the shine from it. There's me looking at the bottles and also showing you how it looks like, but also figuring it out. It came with I was showing you all how the bottle looks like. The numbers were indicated on it, so it was not hard at all to know which one I had to use. It was a prep, a primer, a builder, and a top coat. So it was not difficult to know which one I had to use first. I'm glad it came with a primer too, so you don't have to buy a primer. It comes with it already. I will in a minute. I'll show you how the builder looks like, because I thought that the builder was glue, but it's not glue, and the nail itself does not feel like plastic. It's hard, and yeah, see, it's not glue, it's thick. So I've applied it on my nail and applied it also on the jelly tip now, and I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. It was not easy, so I had to do some of them off camera because I'm not used to doing my nails on camera. So yeah, here, look at how it looks. I love the fact that there's no curve in it. It's not gel, it's so hard. It's not plastic, sorry. So I'm gonna do 1 or 2 nails on camera, and then I'll do the rest off camera, because it was not easy doing it on camera. So, let go. Fendi, Prada. Basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. So as I said, I am not a professional. I did my middle finger and it was coming off. So I had to redo it again, but the nail looked perfectly fine. Jelly tip, so I thought I could use it again. So I filed all the product off and I did everything behind camera, but I fixed it again. But the middle one was giving me a little problems, so I had to do it all over again. Here's me putting the primer and the prep and everything, doing it all again. So yeah, but I'm an amateur. I'm not a nail tech. But I really love this curing lamp thing. I really like it. It's really easy to use. So I decided to file my nail. I have to file the shine off, but I tried to use the nail bit and it was not working. So I went to use my nail file and it worked perfectly fine. I was able to go faster too. So you have to file the nails after you've fixed it. Till you have to take off the shine and everything. When I finished, I decided to buff it. You have to buff your nail and you finish to take off the scratching things from the top. And you see, I'm showing you the nail is not plastic. It is steady. Everything was going good apart from the middle finger problem, but it's not plastic and there's no curve. I like the fact that there's no curve to it. Yeah. I'm using this gel polish to paint my nails and cure with the kiarasky lamp. I want to show you guys the color is red, but I wasn't sure, so and I'm also not a good painter. I can't really paint my nails well. I'm not perfect, but yeah, I'm trying. But I didn't know if I was sure I wanted the red, so I would show you guys another color I wanted to use, but I had already painted my nails red, so I just decided to use my, yeah, this is the color to just paint my ring finger. And yeah, but the colors, the nails turned out good. They're a little bit long, but still love them. I ended up cutting them a little bit shorter, but I put a little flower on my ring finger to give it a little bit of shine. But yeah, so this is the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. Let me know if I gave enough information. Bye guys.